The Vizag gas leak, which has killed at least 11 people and left hundreds affected, occurred on May 7th at the LG Polymers plant at RR Venkatapuram near Naidu Totta area between 2:30 am and 3 am and reportedly spread over a radius of about 3 kilometers, affecting at least 5 villages. The scenes of people being carried to hospitals, health workers scrambling to attend to those affected by the styrene vapor leak, and residents fleeing have brought back grim memories of the December 2nd, 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy. On that horrific night, deadly methyl isocyanate gas leaked from the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, leaving around 3,500 dead and maimed many. Thursday's leak in Vizag of styrene occurred while people were still fast asleep. Fire engines, the police, and ambulances reached the area to control the situation. The National Disaster Response Force was also called in. People were seen struggling to breathe, reminiscent of the infamous Bhopal gas tragedy. According to the Agency for Toxic Substances and Disease Registry, styrene is a colorless liquid used extensively in manufacturing plastics and rubber. Exposure to styrene, also known as ethanylbenzene, vinylbenzene, can affect the central nervous system, causing headache, fatigue, weakness, and depression. It can also lead to respiratory problems such as mucous membrane irritation, eye irritation, gastrointestinal effects, and balance problems. The Vizag gas leak took place at LG Polymers chemical plant, which was established in 1961 as Hindustan Polymers for manufacturing polystyrene and its co-polymers at Visakhapatnam. It merged with McDowell's & Co. Limited of UB Group in 1978. Taken over by South Korea's LG Chem, Hindustan Polymers was renamed LG Polymers India Private Limited in July 1997. Andhra Pradesh Director General of Police Gautam Sawang said, "The gas has been neutralized. One of the antidotes is drinking a lot of water." Sawang added the leak was an accident and that the factory had been following all protocols. He said an investigation is underway and forensic teams are at the spot. Visakhapatnam Joint Inspector of Factories J. Shivasankar Reddy said the chemical plant was not operational due to the nationwide lockdown imposed to combat the coronavirus. The company was planning to reopen it soon, he added. There were just a few employees, security guards, and maintenance personnel there at the time of the incident. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted that he spoke to the officials of Ministry of Home Affairs and National Disaster Management Authority regarding the situation in Visakhapatnam and he was closely monitoring it. Thank you for watching this report. For more such videos, keep watching My Nation.